Have you ever wondered how the economic engine of a company keeps running? Who are the wizards behind the curtain, making sense of numbers and steering the financial course of an organization? The answer is the financial analysts. Picture a typical day in the life of a financial analyst. The morning begins with a hot cup of coffee and a deep dive into the sea of financial data. Budgets, income statement forecasts, and more, all to grasp the company's goals and financial standing. In the midst of this ocean of numbers, they're not just swimming, they're seeking pearls of insight, creative alternatives, and recommendations to reduce costs and improve financial performance. As they navigate through the data, they assemble and summarize their findings. They structure sophisticated reports, shedding light on the financial status and potential risks of the company. In this world of figures and spreadsheets, they are the storytellers, painting a clear picture of the company's financial health. The financial analyst isn't just reactive, they're proactive. They develop financial models, conduct benchmarking, and process analysis. They're keen on conducting business studies on past, future, and comparative performance. They're like fortune tellers of finance, developing forecast models to predict the company's financial future. The financial analyst is always on the lookout for patterns. They identify trends, advise the company, and recommend actions to a senior financial analyst based on sound analysis. They're like detectives, tracking and determining financial status by analyzing actual results in comparison with forecasts. Accuracy is paramount in this profession. Financial analysts reconcile transactions by comparing and correcting data. They're like meticulous proofreaders, ensuring every decimal is in its rightful place. Knowledge is the financial analyst's greatest tool. They're constantly gaining and updating their job knowledge to remain informed about novelty in the field. They're lifelong learners, always seeking to expand their financial wisdom. Financial analysts are not just number crunchers. They consult with management to guide and influence long-term and strategic decision-making within the broadest scope. They're like trusted advisors, helping to steer the company's financial future. They're also the catalysts for change within the company. They drive process improvement and policy development initiatives that impact the function of the organization. They're like the engine oil, ensuring the smooth running of the company's financial operations. In summary, a financial analyst is a navigator, a storyteller, a fortune teller, a detective, a proofreader, a lifelong learner, an advisor, and a catalyst. They are the wizards behind the curtain, making sense of numbers and steering the financial course of an organization. Their role is pivotal in not just maintaining, but enhancing the financial health of a company. They are the unsung heroes of finance, ensuring the economic engine of a company keeps running smoothly.